How to fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile. So there are factors why your Roblox Blox Fruits experience is laggy. So the very first thing that you want to go ahead and check is make sure that you have a stable internet connection or even a decent amount of mobile data for you to be able to play smoothly. Now, if lowering down all the graphics from Roblox Blox Fruit will not be able to fix the issue, what you can do is just to clear all cache and data from the application itself. Now just simply head straight to your phone settings and then just scroll down a bit, then go to apps, and here go to manage apps, and then just simply locate your Roblox application. Now what you need to do is just to simply clear data, cache, and cookies from your Roblox application, or if not, just simply reinstall the game by uninstalling it and reinstalling it back again. So those are the things that you can try to troubleshoot for you to be able to fix lag in Blox Fruits Mobile.